This is Annie. She's 16. She had to be carried to her car a few months ago. She's been on our miracle natural cure, and she's up and around. Come on, Annie. Come on. Look at her. Look at her. Good girl. Come. Come. Excellent. She's not our dog. There she goes. Annie. So anyway, go to www.nuvet.com/3640631 if you want your dog to start moving around. I don't care if they're down on the ground. Try it before you decide to put them to sleep way before their time. Try it out, please, and it's natural, does not harm the kidneys or liver.